The cable car is coming! Historical fiction. It was August 2nd, 1873, and Anna stood with her mother on Clay Street. They were not alone. A crowd of people from all over San Francisco was waiting too. Like Anna, they wanted to ride the city's first cable car. As Anna looked at the people around her, a frown went across her face. She started to worry that she would never find a space in the cable car. A minute later, Anna heard the bell. Clang, clang! That was the signal that the cable car was coming. A wire cable buried deep underground pulled it up the hill. The car would cross Webster Street, then the grip, or conductor, would turn a giant screw to bring the vehicle to a stop. People started to move, and Anna could see the car for the first time. The car was bigger than she expected, and it was shaped like a box with flat sides. It had steps down to the ground and no wheels. The windows were open to let in fresh air. Some riders could sit on a bench along the sides or back. There were poles every few feet for other riders to hold onto as they stood. Anna and her mother squeezed into the front of the car. From there, they watched the grip release the brake. Their ride began. In all, Anna would travel up and down Clay Street for just over a half mile and cross about 10 city blocks. After the ride, Anna was so excited that she wanted more adventure. She told her mother, "Tomorrow, let's hop on a train, walk across a bridge, or ride a boat."